So this is an example of a formal hedge. It's regularly trimmed to keep it in shape. In Queensland you can trim your hedges all year round. But if you do want to enjoy some of the flowers, particularly with the Murraya paniculata, the flowers are scented, white, gorgeous, allow a little bit more free flow and a little bit of growth, and then you can enjoy the flowers in spring, summer, and they actually spot flower all year as well. This is Murraya paniculata, mock orange. It's been trimmed into a formal hedge. It's planted around about 60 centimetres apart. It's regularly maintained by cutting it back. It creates a great dense privacy screen, and it's fast growing. It's a fantastic hedging plant. So this is an example of Murraya Min. It's a relation to the mock orange, and it's a great low hedge. So you can see that it's only growing up around about 40 centimetres or so, and it's got this beautiful rambling rose behind it. So this is Liriope Evergreen Giant. It's a fantastically versatile plant. Grows around about 70 centimetres tall, plumps to about 40 centimetres. Purple flowers in spring and summer. We'll take shade, we'll take part shade, we'll take sun. Looks green and lush all year round. So you can see here it's planted in full sun with the rock border. Looks amazing, softens the edge, looks great all year round. Murraya paniculata, if you want to plant a hedge, plant around about this spacing, improve the soil first before planting, and water regularly until established.